Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to today's video lesson. Students, I hope all of you are fit and fine in your homes. Please take care of yourself because the situation of COVID-19 it is not improving. So it is very important that these days we don't get careless and we just keep on doing what we were doing and we follow all the safety measures and precautions that we were taking earlier. Okay, so please focus on that. Now dear students, we have to focus on the upcoming midterm exams. Okay, midterms are going to happen in the month of September and we are almost at the end of July, and then in August, I think around after 15th of August we'll be able to begin our revision. So before that, I want you to put in maximum efforts, because if at this point of time, if right now you will study, then it's going to help you in the future. So put your maximum efforts at this time to study, to clear your concepts, so that when we are revising, you find it very easy and you are able to remember everything. Okay, so please start focusing on your studies. It is highly important. Okay, if you have any doubts, some of you are interacting with me, but some are not. Please don't wait for exams to come to clear your doubts. Clear your doubts today. Okay, today is the best day to work hard, to do something new, and to start a new chapter in your life. Okay, so students, my best wishes are with you. Please focus on your studies. Okay, now today we will be starting with a chapter from the book Moments. Okay, which is your supplementary reader. Chapter number 3, Ishwaran the Storyteller. It is now not there in your syllabus anymore. Okay, it is not there in your syllabus anymore, so we won't be covering that. Okay, when we'll have extra time, then maybe we'll read it for fun, but first of all our focus is on completing the syllabus. So what we are going to do, we are going to start with the next chapter, chapter number 4, the Kingdom of Fools. All of you, please open your supplementary reader book Moments and take out page number 19, chapter number 4, in the Kingdom of Fools. So before we read, we have a few questions to answer. Let's answer them. It is believed that fools are so dangerous. Fools means जो पागल होते हैं. Okay, though calling someone a fool, calling someone a mad, it is not appropriate these days. Okay, हमें किसी को भी ऐसे नहीं बुलाना चाहिए, but actually में जो fools होते हैं, who are fool by their behavior. Okay, जो actions ऐसे करते हैं कि वो एकदम foolish होते हैं, they are the real fools. Okay, किसी की mental condition के basis पे आप उसको fool नहीं कह सकते. That is just not appropriate. So it is believed that fools are so dangerous that only very wise people can manage them. Yes, if this statement is there, that the fools, they are so dangerous that only very wise people can manage them, this statement is absolutely true. Why it is absolutely true? Because see, a foolish person will do whatever comes to his or her mind. Okay, he is not going to think about the consequences, right? वो नहीं सोचेगा कि जो वो एक्शन कर रहा है उसका क्या रिजल्ट होगा. ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ओनली वेरी वाइज पीपल कैन मैनेज देम. जो बहुत ही स्मार्ट लोग हैं, ओनली दे कैन मैनेज fools. Other people, they can not manage. They cannot manage because fools are dangerous. Okay, why they are dangerous? Because of the foolish things they do. Okay, who are the fools in this story? So this we will get to know once we read the story. What happens to them? अब क्या होता है? See, look at the title. In the kingdom of fools. In the kingdom of fools. We are told that a fool is so dangerous that only very wise people can manage them, right? Now think, what if there is a entire kingdom of fools? Kingdom means rajya, okay, like state. So suppose there is a kingdom of fools, a place where only fools reign, जहां पे फूल्स का ही राज चलता है, जो बेवकूफ लोग हैं उनका राज चलता है. What will happen there? Can you think? So let's read and we'll find out. Okay, this story is actually a very old folklore. Okay, बहुत ही पुरानी कहानी है. Maybe आप लोगों ने सुनी हो. Maybe your grandmother, grandfather might have told you about this story. But there are always differences in every story. So please read this story very carefully and read it from an academic point of view. Okay, because it is going to come in your exams. So in the kingdom of fools, both the king and the minister were idiots. जो वो किंगडम था फूल्स का, वहां पर जो किंग था वो भी इडियट था और जो मिनिस्टर था उसका वो भी एक इडियट था. वो दोनों के दोनों ही बेवकूफ थे. ओके, दोनों में ही दिमाग नहीं था. नाउ थिंक कि किंग भी बेवकूफ है, मिनिस्टर भी बेवकूफ है, तो फिर वो लोग करते क्या होंगे? हाँ, एक स्टेट को चलाने के लिए, एक किंगडम को चलाने के लिए किंग एंड मिनिस्टर बोथ आर इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? सो when the king is also a stupid person and the minister is also a stupid person, eventually everyone in that kingdom will become stupid like them only, right? Because if that person will be wise, I don't think so he will be able to survive, right? He won't be able to survive in a kingdom of fools. They didn't want to run things like other kings. So see, now what they want to do, they want to run their business. Run things means जो वो अपने स्टेट का, अपने किंगडम का लॉ एंड ऑर्डर था, या जो भी वहां पे नेचुरल एक्टिविटीज थी जो जिसमें लोग एंगेज होते, वो नहीं चाहते थे कि वो सिमिलर हो दूसरे किंगडम्स के जैसे. ओनली अ फूल कैन थिंक लाइक दिस, राइट? कोई बेवकूफी ऐसा सोच सकता है कि हाँ, अगर कुछ नॉर्मल है तो उसे नॉर्मल तरीके से नहीं, एबनॉर्मल तरीके से किया जाए, राइट? अगर कोई फूल होगा उसे कहा जाएगा कि ईट राइस विद स्पून, लेकिन अगर तो वो क्या कहेगा? नहीं, मैं स्पून से नहीं खाऊंगा, मैं तो डायरेक्ट अपने मुंह को खोलूंगा और राइस को खा जाऊंगा. ओके, सो ओनली fools are going to think like that. A fool is going to think like this, that yes, I don't want to run things, I don't want to do things in the manner in which other people are doing it. So they decided to change night into day and day into night. Now see here the first thing which the minister and the king they have done together. What they have done, they have changed night into day and day into night. Okay, they ordered that everyone should be awake at night. Okay, so हर किसी को रात को ही जागना होगा. till their fields means जो उसको जो fields जो खेत होते हैं उनमें जो भी काम वो करते हैं, जैसे बीज वगैरह बोते हैं या जो भी काम करते हैं, उसकी मिट्टी को एक तरीके से बैलेंस करते हैं, इवन आउट करते हैं, वो जितना भी काम था वो करेंगे। एंड रन देयर बिजनेसेस ओनली आफ्टर डार्क। सो जो भी बिजनेस कर रहे थे, जो भी बिजनेस चल रहा था, जैसे किसी की ज्वेलरी शॉप थी या किसी की का कोई ब्लैक स्मिथ था या किसी का कोई ग्रोसरी स्टोर था, ओके, जो भी जिसका जो काम था वो रात को ही करेगा, अंधेरा होने के बाद ही करेगा। एंड गो टू बेड एज सून एज द सन केम अप। सो उन्होंने कह दिया कि जैसे सन आए, सन केम अप मीन्स जैसे सनराइज होता है, ओके, तो तभी जाके सो जाओ। Anyone who disobeyed would be punished with death. So disobeyed means to not follow a law or a rule. Okay, किसी भी रूल को ना मानना या कोई भी किसी भी एक पर्टिकुलर रूल को ना मानना, किसी ऑर्डर को नहीं फॉलो करना। सो उन्होंने क्या कर दिया कि अगर कोई नहीं मानेगा हमारे ऑर्डर को तो उसको क्या सजा मिलेगी, उसे मार देंगे। ओके, he'll be killed. The people did as they were told for fear of death. So लोगों ने प्रोटेस्ट नहीं किया, उन्होंने वैसे ही किया जैसा किंग ने कहा, बिकॉज ऑफ द फियर ऑफ डेथ, राइट। फियर ऑफ डेथ motivated these people to become fools. The king and the minister were delighted at the success of their project. So king and minister both were delighted at the success. Delighted means बहुत ही ज़्यादा वो खुश थे, बहुत ज़्यादा उन्हें enjoyment feel हो रही थी, उन्हें बहुत मज़ा आ रहा था। Okay. One day a guru and his disciple arrived in the city. Okay, so now we have new characters in the story. Okay, a guru and his disciple. Disciple क्या होता है, जो चेला होता है। ओके, जो गुरु, जो उसके साथ लर्नर होता है, गुरु के साथ, कि वो गुरु से कुछ सीखना चाहता है तो उसके लिए वो गुरु के साथ है। It was a beautiful city. Okay, बहुत सुंदर सिटी थी। It was broad daylight. Broad daylight means पूरा दिन निकला हुआ था, सूरज बिल्कुल अच्छे से चमक रहा था। Okay, but there was no one about. But there was no one about means कि वहां पे कोई भी नहीं था। There was no one to be seen. There was no one present. Okay. Everyone was asleep, not a mouse stirring. So everyone was asleep. Asleep means सो रहे थे। Okay, हर कोई सो रहा था। And कोई माउस भी स्टीयरिंग, and not a mouse steering. Not a mouse steering means कोई माउस भी हिलडुल नहीं रहा था। स्टीयरिंग मीन्स अ मूवमेंट टू, स्टीयरिंग क्या होते हैं, मूवमेंट टू मिक्स, लाइक हम जैसे दूध में बॉर्नवीटा मिक्स करते हैं, दैट इज, सो वी स्टर इट टू मिक्स। ओके, हिलाना डुलाना, बट दैट वाज नॉट हैपनिंग। ओके, इवन द कैटल हैड बीन टॉट टू स्लीप बाय डे। सो जो कैटल थी, जो उनके गाय भैंस थी, जो भी, इवन दे वर टॉट, उन्हें भी सिखा दिया गया था कि दे हैव टू स्लीप बाय डे, दिन में उन्हें सोना है। द टू स्ट्रेंजर्स were amazed by what they saw around them. Okay, so because they were coming from, they were visiting this new town, this new city, this new kingdom, they were amazed. Okay, उन्हें बहुत ही एक सेंस ऑफ सरप्राइज आई, मतलब एक बहुत ही आश्चर्य हुआ। ओके, they were feeling like, oh, what is this? This was their feeling. So the two strangers were amazed by what they saw around them and wandered around town till evening. Wandered means घूमते रहे, ओके, वो घूमते रहे इवनिंग तक. When suddenly the whole town woke up and went about its nightly business. So उस टाइम पे क्या हुआ कि जो पूरा टाउन था वो उठ गया और अपना जो नाइटली रात का जो उनका काम होता था, रात को जो जैसे वो सारा अपना रेगुलर काम करते थे उसमें इंडल्ज हो गया. The two men were hungry. Now that the shops were open, they went to buy some groceries. वो दोनों hungry थे, okay? And the shops were open, so they went to buy some groceries. What is groceries? Items of daily use in household, okay, like bread, butter, jam. These things are groceries. Pulses, whatever, flour. These things are groceries, which are used for cooking. Okay, any other items of household, whether they are eatables or not, they will qualify as groceries only. Okay, कोई भी जो हाउस होल्ड में आइटम्स यूज होते हैं वो ग्रोसरीज होते हैं, चाहे वो एडिबल हो, चाहे आप उन्हें खा, एडिबल मीन्स कि वो खा सकते हैं आप या नहीं. ओके, सो these are groceries. Like you might have heard in English, it is very much said, please go to a grocery store and bring me this or that, whatever is required. So जो शॉप इनको सेल करती है वो होती है ग्रोसरी स्टोर. ओके, to their astonishment, astonishment means surprise, astonishment means surprise. So to their surprise, they found that everything cost the same. So अब उन्हें पता चला कि हर चीज की जो प्राइस है वो भी सेम है. A single doo-doo, okay, a single doo-doo. What is doo-doo? It is a currency जो किंगडम ऑफ फूल्स में चलती है, वो करेंसी, इट्स कॉल्ड डू-डू. The guru and his disciple were delighted. Okay, so now the guru and his disciple, they become quite happy. Okay, they had never heard of anything like this. So उन्होंने कहीं पे भी ऐसा कुछ नहीं सुना था, ऐसी किसी भी चीज के बारे में उन्हें नहीं पता था. They could buy all the food they wanted for a rupee. So rupee की here rupee is used. Rupee, everyone is aware that it's a currency. तो means उनके पास जो currency थी that was rupee, okay, और जो वहाँ पे currency चल रही थी that was doo-doo. So means कुछ rate of exchange होता होगा कि हाँ 1 rupee is equal to 1 doo-doo. It is possible क्योंकि वहाँ पे तो सब कुछ ही एक प्राइस थी, राइट. सो फर्स्टली व्हाट वी नोटिस्ड कि क्या फुलिश चीज हुई थी कि डे वाज टर्न्ड इनटू नाइट एंड नाइट इनटू डे इन द किंगडम ऑफ फूल्स. नाउ द सेकंड फुलिश थिंग इज दैट एवरीथिंग कॉस्ट द सेम. ओके, द प्राइस ऑफ एवरीथिंग, इट इज द सेम. व्हाट इज द प्राइस? इट इज 1 doo-doo. ओके, हर चीज की जो प्राइस है वो 1 doo-doo है. ओके, सो आई थिंक up to now what it must be clear to you that yes, it's a very foolish place, it's a very foolish kingdom. And why it is foolish? I think because of the minister and the king. Okay, so dear students, today we are going to read up to here only. Okay, we are going to read till here only, and now I'll be asking some questions from you. See, while we'll be reading moments, it is very important that you should be able to answer questions. Okay, read करने के बाद आपके अंदर एक एबिलिटी आनी चाहिए where you are able to answer the questions. Okay, why you require this ability? Because 10 marks का जो हमारा MCQ पोर्शन है लिटरेचर रीडर का, ओके, उसमें आपको ऐसे ही पोर्शन मिलेगा, आपको पार्ट्स मिलेंगे. ओके, उस पार्ट के बेसिस पे ही आपको जो है आंसर करना है। ओके, आपको पार्ट्स मिलेंगे, उन पार्ट्स के बेसिस पे ही आपको आंसर करना है। दैट्स वाई इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ओके, इट इज हाईली इंपॉर्टेंट बेटा कि आप पार्ट रीड करके उसके आंसर कर सकें। ओके, एमसीक्यू में क्या होता है, एमसीक्यू में आपके ऑप्शंस जो होते हैं वो सिमिलर हो जाते हैं। ओके, सो आपको परफेक्ट आंसर, जो परफेक्ट आंसर होता है क्वेश्चन के अगेंस्ट, वही आंसर करना होता है। अगर आप ये हैबिट बनाएंगे तो ही आप स्कोर कर पाएंगे। ओके, अदरवाइज एमसीक्यू विल बिकम अ चैलेंज फॉर यू। ओके, so don't let MCQs become a challenge for you and get ready to give precise answers। बिल्कुल एकदम accurate आंसर देने जो बिल्कुल भी इधर उधर ना हो, जिनमें कोई भी वेरिएशन ना हो। ओके, सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, who were the idiots in the kingdom of fools? जो किंगडम ऑफ फूल्स था उसमें इडियट कौन थे? And the answer is the king and his minister. They both were idiots. Okay, next, why did they change night into day and day into night? उन्होंने चेंज क्यों किया था? Why did they make this change? They made this change because they didn't want to do things like other kings. Okay, वो दूसरे किंग्स के जैसे नहीं करना चाहते थे। Why did people obey this order? लोगों ने ये ऑर्डर क्यों ओबे किया? Why did people obey this order? People obeyed this order because of the fear of death. Okay, they were told that if they will not obey this order, they would be punished with death. Okay, so people obeyed this order. So now next question, why were the guru and his disciple amazed on seeing the city? Why were they amazed? I think all of you know the answer. They were amazed because there was no one around them, no one wandering in the city, even though it was broad daylight. Okay, broad daylight थी, but still there was no one around. Next question, what was the price of every item? What was the cost of every item in the city? What was the price? It was 1 dudu. It was 1 dudu. Okay, so students, these are the questions, and now if you have any questions related to what we have read, you can comment. Okay, this is a very interesting story and I want all of you to read it actively and take active participation. Okay, if you have any further questions, feel free to comment or send me a message or give me a call, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Okay, so please take care of yourself, stay safe and read the chapter. Okay, so that's it for today's video lesson, students. Thank you.